Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about permanently deleting your Instagram account. So perhaps you've temporarily deactivated it and you'd rather just delete it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take care of that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram profile page. And in order to do that, just select your little profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then go up and select the hamburger icon at the top right corner of Instagram here. Select Account Center, hide the profile name. Underneath Account Settings, select Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control, and then select the deactivation or deletion option, and then follow through with the on-screen prompts, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.